Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave the things you're not supposed to. Today, I'm going to be microwaving a melon. Not a watermelon, I already did that and it was pretty boring. Just an ordinary melon. I'm thinking that this will probably be similar to the spaghetti squash, which was pretty damn cool if you remember. And I'm gonna let Ellen microwave this melon. Okay, I'm gonna give this puppy 35 minutes, which I think should be enough. Well, that was disappointing as hell, but what else is new? Have I really had a truly good fruit item besides a spaghetti squash? I can't think of one. So, I guess it's time to remove the post-product for examination. And it's a very soggy, overcooked melon. And there's melon part. Looks like it. Nah, it didn't blow anywhere. It's just real soggy, droopy. It's pretty similar to the watermelon. But as far as my verdict on doing something like this, I don't see any reason why you couldn't. These things really don't blow up. They just kind of hiss out their steam because every melon or fruit item in general has a weak point. So there's no way it could build up the immense pressure needed for something like an explosion from a champagne bottle or even a spaghetti squash. So yeah, I'm gonna declare this safe, but why would you want to do it? There's no reason to do it, but technically it's safe.